nice, man. You know, if you squint your eye a little bit, these look like, for real, Dunk High Laser Blue. Hit the B-roll. Another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to do a full in-depth review on the latest Nike Dunk Laser Blue. And I know I joked in the beginning of the video about these matching up, but honestly, it's more comparison likes than dislikes in this sneaker, man. Of course, this is the off-white. R.I.P. to Virgil. I say that every video I get a chance to say it. But it's some similarities, man. I mean, materials are different, but some materials are the same. And I know lately Nike Dunk Highs has been restocking crazy and sitting on your local shelves. The Laker joints, them joints restock every 5 days. The black and white high pandas, I still can't get my hands on the low. The highs is out there, but I feel like these laser blue ones here are different. They're calling them laser blue or championship blue, just like the championship red joints I showed y'all a couple of weeks back. I even did a how to style on those. I put that up there somewhere. I'll put both of them up there, the review and the how to style, because those were dope videos. You see, those are not really sitting, and I don't believe these are sitting either. Far as resale value, I think they'll probably only go $30 over retail right now. But check back in 6 months, this sneaker will be maybe in the $200 price range just because of the uniqueness of this blue. This is like a play on UNC blue, but a little darker. It is weird, but it's a nice blue, guys. So I don't want to do too much talking. Let's unbox this. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your classic Nike Dunk box, dark red or light red, dark orange, regular box. Just like I asked with Jordan 1 years ago and they started to listen, let's change the box a little bit. They championship blue or laser blue, put that blue on the box, and you know, leave the Nike logo where it's at. But this is the box you get. It reads Nike Dunk High Retro, laser blue, white. When you flip open the lid, you get your OG white tissue paper. And here's a 360 view of the laser blue Nike Dunk High Retro. And let's start with the toe box. I'm not gonna lie. Stiff leather on the toe box. It looks buttery, but to feel it is stiff. But so is every other Nike Dunk High Retro. But it looks buttery, guys. There go your holes in the design as OG. But let's look at this blue, guys. This blue is nice, guys. Nice blue, man. Like, dope. And the way they just OG color blocked it with the white makes the blue pop even more. So there go your swoosh there. No tumbleness, but Nike Dunks are not known to have the tumbleness. But that blue stitching is the same color all through the sneaker. And that is super dope, guys. I like the blue at the bottom to complement the blue at the top, sandwiched in with the white. I really, really like that look there. To go your back, OG Nike Dunk High back, flap tab here. That's in a nice blue too. The white is sandwiched in the back also. but you got the white stitching here where the white is and the blue stitching where the blue is. Classic woven mesh tongue right here with your Nike logo there in that nice blue, but the tongue is white. Shoelaces is the same color as the sneaker, and I don't mind because I love this blue, man. But regular Nike Dunk swoosh, shoelaces there. Let's get to the inside. More of that beautiful blue in the inside. Nike logo inside there, but the blue is in there. Your bottom, if you've seen one Nike Dunk, high or low or SB, any Air Force One, you get this same blue. Sometimes you get the same bottom. Sometimes they change the color, but this is all blue. Even the Nike logo is blue in the middle, all blue at the bottom. That's how it complements the top right here. You see that nice blue. All the stars are present. Well, these ain't really stars. They're like bumps. Quality's good, guys. In the inside of the shoe, you do see minimal tumbledness. And that's on the swoosh, in the back of the swoosh, but very minimal. On the outside, you don't see no tumbleness at all. But in the inside, it's very minimum in there. Maybe because this is the soft part, like for your foot, but it's in there. Both shoes here, nothing's changed from right to left. Everything is the same. Everything adds up. Nothing should change, though. Let me know in the comment section if I'm bugging or not. Real talk. Of course, Virgil did his spin on this. I'm talking color-wise. Like, color-wise, bro. This looks alike. Yes, sir. So I was able to grab these last week from Shoe Palace. Shout out to Shoe Palace and they shipping. They shipping is quick. And it took a while. When they came out, I think it was last Friday or Thursday, I was like, I'm not getting another Dunk High just regular color because it's going to sit here. Y'all know I'm an SB guy. But I hit the trigger and I like them. So they didn't instantly sell out, and I'm quite sure you still could get smaller sizes, 8.5, 8, 7.5, lower sizes. But StockX and GOAT has these right now for roughly $140 to $145. I think I paid $130 something and change after the taxes and the shipping. So you're really not going out of pocket too much. Maybe $8, $10. It's just with StockX, when you click that first page, it'll be at 141. You get to that second page, it'll be at like 148. Then when you get to the final page to review the sale or review the transaction, you're probably at $5,000. I don't know how StockX do it, but that price goes crazy up on that third page. And also, a lot of people are making a gripe that StockX doesn't say verified at the top right now. They're just changing the site around. I'm sure they're not just letting fakes go through like that. That'd be crazy, but that's another time, another video. These laser blue Dunks, I recommend, guys, especially under $150 right now. I recommend it, guys. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I should have a hotter style coming this week, but I got so much fire coming that I don't know if I'm going to have time to. But get us 15 likes and we'll get a hotter style on this because this blue is sexy. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.